It just took 3 hours to make $50,860 only with this one video created by AI. It's just really amazing to me how easy it is to make this kind of videos in TikTok and make a lot of money through affiliate programs. The process is very easy, and these videos just promote one product through affiliate links in TikTok and make lots of money. I'm gonna show you the videos soon, and you will see how easy it is to make these videos, and I will take you through the step-by-step process to make these videos and start making a lot of money with this great opportunity on TikTok. Now let's go to this video that made this $50,000. So here is the video I'm going to click, and it has got 7.3 million views. If I go to the end of the video, you can see that there is a product being advertised here or promoted here, and here we can see that this section here, as you can see, this product is being promoted here, and this product has been viewed 7.3 million times. And also you can see here there are 300k likes and also so many views. If somebody wants to get the product, there is a link at the bottom of the video, and they can select it and go to the shop and buy the product. So when a client wants to get the product, so they click on the link for the shop, and then they are directed to the shop and they make their purchase, and then you get a share of the affiliate program. Now let me show you exactly how I got the information about the amount of money that the creator made with this video. So if you go to this website called Shop Plus, in this website you can get the information about the products being sold on TikTok and all the statistics and all the info you need to know what products are selling and what channels and what videos are making a lot of money. So here is the website that I use to get the info about these TikTok products and the amount of money they are making. So if I go to this inside section, you can see that there are different products being sold here and the amount of money that they are making. So because I wanted to know about this influencer, I searched it here and I found his channel, The Health High, and reviewing cool products. And here is the video that I was talking about that we watched. I can play it also here. As you can see, this is the same video we watched. Here we can see that this video alone has made $50,000, to be exact $50,860 revenue, just only this video. And also creating this video is not going to take more than 3 hours of your time. So with only 3 hours he could make this kind of video and make a lot of money. So I'm going to show you in the later stages how to use AI to create the images. So later in the video, I will show you exactly how to make these kinds of videos with using free AI tools, and you can start earning a lot of money by using TikTok. Just before jumping into image creation, first we need to have a video script that shows us exactly what visuals and what a script and voiceover we need for our video. So for this script, we go to ChatGPT, and as you can see here, I have already prepared a script for us, and you can see that in this script I say give me a script for a 35-second video on TikTok to promote this product. I have put this prompt for you in the video description to download, and you can paste any product you want inside these blanks. So as you can see here, I say that to give me a video based on that, and also I say that follow these 3 steps. That's really important. First, what problem or difficulty there is, introduce this product and how it solves that problem, and then how they can order or anything you can add. So this video script can really help us to sell our product, especially to those who have exactly this problem, and this can really be encouraging for them to select our product and buy it from us. And also I add at the end, give prompts for its visuals, the prompts that we can use for our image creation. And then I click the generate button and it starts doing its magic for us. So exactly it gives us the prompts we can use to make our images related to the video. Now I want to make the images here. I'm going to use the GPT store from the ChatGPT 4. So here I go to image generation, which is trending now, and I start chat here. So I go back to the script and I copy the first prompt visualization here, a detailed close of a person. So I copied and pasted here for the image generator to make the images. Just to make the image better, I add some more information to this prompt to make it exactly what we need. So here I want to make the image better, so I add some more information, like with a mouth with brownish plaque and calculus on teeth. Alright, the image is created and it looks really good to show what a bad oral health is, and the issue that we have in the beginning of the video. So what I do is that I repeat the same step for the next visuals of the script and make the images needed. Now let's go to the next stage, making a voiceover for the text of the script. So again, I go to GPT Store here and search for voiceover. So I choose the first one here and start chat. So I go back to the script that we have, and here, for example, we have the first script, struggling with dental issues and looking for a national. So I just copy this one, paste here. Here it asks us that you can download this from this link. So I just click this link here. So here also we can download this one and use this voiceover for the text. So did we again repeat the same step for different text we have from the script created by ChatGPT and make all the voiceover. So when you have created all the images and all the voiceovers, what we need to do is to put them all together with a video editor app. For this purpose, I'm going to use CapCut. It's a great app that you can use on your mobile or your desktop. So when you gather all your voiceovers and all your images, it's time to put them together. And I think the software that is really easy to use and completely free is CapCut. So you can have it on your mobile phone or on your desktop, and it's really easy to use. So what you need is just to download it on your mobile phone or download it on your desktop computer. And here, as you can see, that I'm in the dashboard area, and here I create new, and here, as you can see, I choose the second one, 916, which is made for TikTok or Instagram and Facebook. So I choose this one, and here it just gives you a tour of the app, how to use it. So you put all your files here on the upload section, and then you drag it here to the main area, and then you make your video very easily. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like it, and also subscribe to my channel for more great videos in future. Thank you very much for all your support, and until next time, goodbye and take care.